देख भाई, फेक तो ज्वेलरी ही अच्छी लगती है, पीपल नहीं. हाँ, in this entire lifetime I will never be able to understand how some people successfully project a fake personality. Hmm? But anyway, I'm not here to talk about the fake people and their dramas, but I'm here to talk about fake or imitation jewelry because I love that. I'm like so crazy about that. और आज मैंने अपना कबर्ड खोल के देखा ना, तो मेरा दिल रो रहा था कि इतनी सारी ज्वेलरी है, मतलब मैं कब पहनूंगी. इतने महीने हो गए, मुझे चांस ही नहीं मिला है वो सारी ज्वेलरी पहनने का, है ना. बिकॉज दैट्स वेरी ड्रेसी. So sometimes I wear it in my videos, but then I thought कि चलो आज ना सारी तो नहीं, मतलब मेरे पास इतनी सारी ज्वेलरी है, अगर मैं वो दिखाने लगी तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा और आई डोंट हैव दैट मच टाइम, है ना. सो थॉट कि थोड़ी बहुत ज्वेलरी की मैं आज प्रदर्शनी मीन्स एग्जिबिशन करती हूँ तो वसूली हो जाएगी ऑफ what I have. Yeah. So to begin with, look, I am also fond of making jewelry, ठीक है. So this is one that I have made like, I don't know, I think 2 decades back, okay. But I like to wear it even today. And this I had made in several colors, and some I gifted, some I sold. Okay, so I'll show you some more of my collection. So this is also one of the kind that I'm wearing. Okay, and all these are my handmade jewelry also. Okay, and of course this is for selling. Yeah. So these are like pendant sets with thick beads or big beads malas. Because मुझे है ना सब big jewelry अच्छी लगती है, big, broad, bold. If I try to wear delicate jewelry, it's like invisible on my body. So yes, I like everything big. This. So I had made several of these also, and some of them have been sold, some of them I still have. Okay, so I would like to say that all my handmade jewelry and some other jewelry is available on shimia.com in case anybody is interested. So these are common colors which I have made, like blue, green, maroon. It goes on mostly all the colors. Okay, so here I would like to say that jewelry is like you really have to know कि किस टाइप के कपड़ों पे आप कौन सी ज्वेलरी पहनो. So these are kind of long. Okay, so this kind of jewelry goes on every kind of neckline, like round, broad, maybe even saris at times. Okay, and okay, so this is not made by me, but I really love it because it's like too broad, too big. It's matching with this also actually. Okay, so that was that which I have made, and now I'll show you some more which I have. Yeah, so okay, this is kind of a choker. Okay, and this goes very well on V necklines. So for V necklines it's preferable that you wear a choker, and otherwise of course long malas, they go very well on all. Okay, so this is one very beautiful long mala that I have. Oh yeah, and jewelry, sometimes you can wear all matching, or sometimes you can pick up a contrast color. Supposing it's a plain dress, so you can pick up a contrast color and you can wear all the accessories of that contrast color. So this is a 3-tone mala which I have. This is like copper, gold, silver. Personal use, of course. So this also goes very well on all kinds of dresses. It looks real. So sometimes when I have to buy, sometimes I buy that jewelry which looks real. This is also a choker. It looks very good on western outfits. So these which I am showing, you know, these chokers and few more I'm showing you now. These I have purchased from my sister, okay, because she is into that business. This one, I really love this one also because you can see it's so thick. And this also looks very pretty on dresses. Again, this is a color which will go on all colors, so I prefer to buy colors which are like common colors and which can be worn with any colored dress, है ना. This, I love such long malas, but of course not very thin ones, except for the 3-tone which I just showed you. Okay, this is this kind. I have just this one piece, okay, so this can be worn long like this, okay, or else ये magnetic है, you know, you can wear it ना short, okay, or else like this. So I really like this because it gives me options, you know, कभी कैसा. So वो एक ही चीज़ में 2 टाइप की ज्वेलरी आ जाती है हमारे पास. Okay, this is also from my sister. Yeah, so you can see how broad it is, and I like to wear it on saris, okay, like it looks really nice, bhara pura. I love to wear that on saris. And okay, this, you know, these kind of jewelries I buy, it goes well on lehengas and saris, of course. So I have some of that collection also. So I like to have like all types of varieties possible. I have like rings, bangles, anklets. I'll just show you some earrings. I know. Okay, some pretty pieces, I don't mind. एक करके मैं दिखाऊँ आप लोगों को. Beautiful, no? Okay, so sometimes we have dresses on which you do not need to wear the neck piece and you can just make do with the long earrings. So this is of course the traditional one, and it looks good on saris as well as dresses. So for the long earrings, you can have a deep neckline as well as a band neckline. It goes well on both. जबकि जो neck pieces होते हैं, more often than not, we do not wear any neck piece on closed necks, but some can really carry it well. Even on the closed necks, like Chinese collar for example, some can carry very well the long malas. Again, that depends upon your taste or your sense of dressing or your own style that you have. Style is something very personalized, okay, like it cannot be you know particular for somebody. It is apna style. It cannot be taught. It is like natural or naturally inculcated. You know, some can carry long earrings, some can carry studs, so some can different types of clothing. मतलब it's not necessary कि जो ज्वेलरी आपको सूट कर रही है वो मुझे सूट करे, या जो मुझे सूट कर रही है वो आपको सूट करे. तो ये हर किसी का अपना पर्सनल स्टाइल होता है शौक के अलावा. So these are all traditional earrings. So many more. Okay, so any of the earrings, for example, any of the jewelry which I'm showing you, like which I told you, it's my sister's business. So any of that or any of my handmade, in case you're interested, it's available on shimmer.com. So this, you know, दूर से real लगता है. Okay, also the jewelry that I purchase most of the times, you know, somehow जितनी वो 10 साल पहले अच्छी लगती थी उतनी ही वो आज भी अच्छी लगती है, और उतनी ही वो 10 साल के बाद भी अच्छी लगेगी. I'm sure. Pretty, no? The anarkali styles. have these kundan jhumkas. Again, this is a common color which can go on any colored dress. Okay, and this I really like very much. मुझे अभी तक इसमें से काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें मुझे अभी तक पहनने का चांस भी नहीं मिला है. I know some may like it, some may not, again depending upon अपना taste, but it's just like I just wanted to show you what I have. And I think I should stop here because I've taken a lot of your time, and so I would like to remind again, I'll be talking more about like the jewelry and accessories and fashion, the dresses, and yeah, I repeat, any kind of jewelry, if you are interested, you know, you can look into shimmer.com. Okay, and have a lovely weekend, guys. I'll be away for the weekend again, and see you back on Monday.